Welcome to SPM Enterprises, where innovation meets excellence. Located in the heart of Noida, India, our state-of-the-art facility is the cornerstone of our commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. Under the visionary leadership of our CEO, Mr. A.M. Khan, we have established ourselves as industry leaders in providing top-notch manufacturing solutions.
तो स्पेशल पर्पस मशीन्स में हम पीसीबी असेंबली इंडस्ट्री को सर्व करते हैं, उनको बेड ऑफ नेल और अदर ऑटोमेशन के लिए सॉल्यूशन प्रोवाइड करते हैं। पीसीबी असेंबली इंडस्ट्री में लाइटिंग इंडस्ट्री, इन्वर्टर इंडस्ट्री और टीवी कार्ड इंडस्ट्री है। इसके अलावा लेवलिंग इंडस्ट्री और पैकेजिंग इंडस्ट्री में मशीनें डिज़ाइन एंड डेवलप करते हैं। पैकेजिंग इंडस्ट्री में स्पेशली टूथपिक फिलिंग मशीन हम बनाते हैं।
Our extensive product line includes automatic labeling machine, belt conveyor, crimping machine, glue dispensing machine, toothpick filling machine, press machine, BLDC fan PCB testing machine, endurance testing machine, MCPCB panel testing machine, PCB panel testing machine, aging rack, laser welding fixture, PCB data acquisition, rotary switch testing machine, each product is meticulously designed and manufactured to ensure precision, reliability and efficiency. Our experienced IT department is the driving force behind our innovative solutions. We constantly explore new technologies to enhance our product offerings. With a large production capacity and a dedicated team of professionals, we are equipped to handle high-volume orders while maintaining the highest standards of quality. Our commitments to total quality management and a robust financial position ensured that every product leading a facility is flawless. our relationship with our clients doesn't end with the sale. We provide comprehensive after-sales support, including installation and maintenance services.
I want to thank all my customers and my team. Thank you.
SPM Enterprises, your partner in progress, innovation, and excellence.